Hello guys, welcome back once again my channel Factology Facts. Let's explore the world. Ancient Romans used urine as a mouthwash. Urine contained ammonia, which is one of the best cleaning agents on the earth. This chair was found in an antique mall. It sells for $22,000. In Minnesota, you can go to jail for sleeping naked. The world record for the longest stare without blinking is 40 minutes and 59 seconds. China has been building a wall of peace on the side of mountain since the year 100 AD, which now houses 700 colonies. The House of Saud has been the ruling royal family of Saudi Arabia. Longer than the United States has been a country, the family is estimated to be worth $1.4 trillion. Most Americans can buy an AR-15 rifle before they can legally buy a beer. American artist Brian Mock brings recycled materials back into life. Friendship with people who have awkward personalities tend to last longer. Photo of elephant wearing shirt and pants goes viral. This is beyond science. Black panthers are one of the most rarest animals on the planet. Most common ways to hold a knife for identical married identical twins and give birth to set of identical twins. Never trust your friends blindly. A Russian man named Edward Seleznev murdered his three friends and ate their body parts. He sliced them, boiled them, and ate them, and told their family members that they have gone to work in another city. An image claiming that Peaky Blinders were spotted at a match between Brighton and Watford in 1920. It is said that Mike Tyson became a boxer because a bully killed his vision. Women judged men with full beard to be more attractive than clean-shaved men. This is the muscle that causes lower back pain and stiffness. This area should be stretched daily, especially if you sit all day. This man had his arm up one day and decided to never put it down. It's been 25 plus years. According to a study, men are more heartbroken than women during a breakup. Dad tattooed his son's cancer scar on his own head to boost son's self-confidence. NASA studies hire people to lie in bed for 60 days. NASA pays 13 lakh rupees to those who will complete the task. Finally, a dream job for many is found. About 40% women will consider dumping their boyfriends simply in her friends do not like him. One of the rarest of rare birds, the kakapo. Israel is so small you can run through it from west to east in 2 hours and from top to bottom in 9 days. Your shoes are first thing people subconsciously notice about you. Wear nice shoes. Bathroom with a glass floor on an abundant elevator shaft. There is a gym in Japan where girls motivate you to work out and force you to drink protein shake. These carpets are wool designed to look like stones. These are felt stone rugs. A million second is 11.5 days. A billion second is 31.7 years. Once you fall in love, there's no going back to being just friends. Doing plank exercise for 3 minutes for 30 days can burn most of the belly fats and gives you a slim toned look.